So now, let's talk about evaluation with the topic of know how to effectively evaluate educational technologies used in a classroom. So, by knowing how to evaluate its effectiveness in a classroom, we use some further educational technology and must have these characteristics. So, first, we need to be suitable for the teaching and learning situations. Second, we need to be motivational. Third, we need to promote learnings. Fourth, be at the right level or the age of the learners. Fifth, address the needs of the curriculum. And lastly, help meet the learning outcomes. The educational technology evaluation cycle. So we can see that at the center, a, a what we call the evaluate and revise. So we have the three circle around the evaluate and revise. So these are after instruction, during discussion, and before instruction. So when we say evaluating before instruction, it is before the acquisition using any educational technology to all the software. It is where the teacher should be asking herself or himself with the following questions. So first, will it be match the message the curriculum? Isn't it appropriate for the teaching and learning situations? Isn't it updated? Will it match the capacity of my students? Will it help me to convey the message of the lessons? Um, will it help me to demonstrate the processes? So we can observe that before instructions, it is where tackling about us teachers. We have evaluating during the instruction. So during instruction, the teacher should continue to observe and assist the effectiveness of educational technology that being implemented in the classroom that we use. So the teacher may take note the benefit and the problems. So encountered by during implementation. So first, the teacher should be asking himself or herself with the following. So first, is it educational technology attractive to the students? Evaluating after instruction. So before putting our thumbs down or thumbs up, we might want to ask ourselves to a few more questions to help us to determine if there is need to change the educational technology or just need a little more adjustment and practice using the technology. So first question is, did it help my student achieve the intended learning outcomes? Second, did it improve the performance of the students in the subject matter? So we can observe that um, those questions are more on the the students. It is where um, the situation of the students, if the educational technology is effectively uh, to them. Evaluating educational technology in a classroom is very important as evaluating the processes done in any project. To evaluate the process or item is we need to first determine its importance and usefulness. To determine the appropriateness of educational technology in the classroom instruction and to gauge how is it enhances teaching and learning. These are some areas that we take a look to arrive at a final decision about the use and complementation in education. And now let's proceed to